Metamagnetics, protect, connect, succeed. We are presenting the frequency selective canceller for enhanced communications while jamming capabilities. My name is Rena Dale. I'm currently the principal investigator on this Phase 2 SBIR and a senior RF scientist and technical lead of the Advanced RF Circuits and Systems team at Metamagnetics. Please contact Mr. Apostolou, Director of Business Development at Metamagnetics, should you have any follow-up questions or inquiries. Metamagnetics was founded in 2009 as a spin-out of Northeastern University and based just outside of Boston, Massachusetts. Our team has created technological solutions so elegant that to the uninitiated and even to some of the most advanced RF engineering minds on the planet, they appear magical because of the outsized impact this technology brings to RF-dependent systems. We have the capability of device design and prototyping. Our facility houses 100% domestic supply chain with in-house material synthesis and fabrication capabilities. Our team is composed of world-renowned technologists and scientists and leaders with unmatched expertise in the material sciences, RF and electrical engineering, and advanced component subsystem manufacturing. So what is the challenge here? Cosite and jammer interference. The U.S.'s electromagnetic spectrum superiority is rapidly deteriorating, due in part to overwhelming demand for the finite resources by our own systems, both commercial and military. But it's also due to our adversaries' deliberate and concentrated efforts to limit our access and use of the spectrum. The Electronic Support Measures Unit found on an unmanned aerial vehicle will typically operate in the presence of high-power transmitters. There is very limited space available on these UAVs, where high-power emitters will typically be located near ESM antennas. These ESM systems are highly sensitive, which enable them to pick up very low power signals. However, the presence of these high-power Cosite and jammer signals significantly reduce the sensitivity and ability to detect low-power signals of interest. The presence of high-power co-located jammers significantly impacts the receiver's dynamic range, preventing the UAV from receiving low-power signals of interest. A new technical approach is essential that will attenuate these high-power signals and allow the system to operate fully while in the presence of interference. Operating at the speed of mission calls for technologies that are autonomous, adaptive, swap-C effective, and cyber-secure, Metamagnetics auto-tune filter, also referred to as ATF, technology answers the call. Developed and supported in part by the DARPA M3IC program, the ATF offers an elegant and superior alternative to the current state of the art by offering a materials-based, zero power consumption, automatic adaptive response RF filtering technology. The ATF can autonomously react to interference and provide critical filtering protection to sensitive systems while simultaneously allowing high-interest signals through minimally affected. Shown below is an image of a receiver's input spectrum, without an ATF on the left and with an ATF on the right. As seen on the left image, the receiver's dynamic range is significantly reduced due to the presence of a high-power interfering signal. When incorporating an ATF as shown on the right, it dynamically and automatically detects this high-power interfering signal and attenuates it while allowing the signal of interest to pass through, significantly improving the dynamic range and sensitivity of the receiver. Our solution, the frequency selective canceller, is an integrated module that capitalizes on Metamagnetics' ATF technology and enables an analog canceling technology that will selectively cancel large interferers while allowing signals of interest through with minimal impact. Our current status in the project is that we have developed a proof of concept prototype, and testing has shown some very promising results. Results prove that the frequency selective canceller, based on our ATF technology, can automatically detect and reject both broadband and narrowband high power interferers while minimally affecting signals of interest. We are currently in the process of working with an ESM system company to further develop ATF and FSC assembly specifications for their system on the Growler platform. We're also further developing the FSC module to meet the requirements of this application. The frequency selective canceller's unique patented design is referenceless and does not require prior knowledge of interferers or jamming signals. Many of its primary benefits also include that it provides protection from high-power Cosite and jammer signals and eliminates damage to sensitive RF front ends. Moreover, it allows detection of low signal levels such as communication while jamming scenarios, even when the high-power signals are present. It automatically improves the jamming to signal ratio, and it also supports a broad range of interference signal types. Shown in the image below, a CW interfering signal, and to the right, an FM interfering signal. The signals in red are when the FSC is turned off, and in green when the FSC is turned on. Cancellation of up to 40 dB or more is seen to the interferer with minimal impact to the signal of interest. Metamagnetics' near-term goal is to refine the FSC performance to be integrated into the Growler system. Looking into the future, we would like to expand the FSC's application to similar platforms that will be facing the same Cosite interference challenges, including the FA18, F15, F16, the B2, XB47, Predator, Blackhawk, and many other similar systems. Our team's operation model has two parallel approaches. The first is to sell directly to the customer via retrofit solutions, which can be the faster path to integration into the fleet with less complications for integration. Our longer-term goal is to work with primes or subsystem manufacturers to integrate the part into their solution, resulting in a more streamlined solution. Metamagnetics already collaborates with almost every Tier 1 prime already. Metamagnetics: protect, connect, succeed. Make the quantum leap over front-end interference challenges. Please contact us if you have any questions or inquiries. Thank you.